Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my God. What is going on? Babe. What is going on? Babe. Did you see that? Yes, get off here. What the f is happening?
What are you doing? You know it merges, dumbass. Driveway. And I was like, oh my God. And of course the camera not working. I better clean it.
Whatever works.
Where the f are you
The red light, asshole.
Wow.
Great.
I always noticed that he used to squeeze the lime into her drink before he handed it to her whenever we were all out somewhere. He'd take his own lime and squeeze it into her. It seems like a beautiful thing to have. Somebody giving you their lime wedge. I mean, I hate lime, actually, but you get the point.
God damn it.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.